Program number 13. Write a program to obtain temperature in Celsius and convert it into Fahrenheit using formula. Fahrenheit equal to Celsius into 9 by 5 plus 32. This the formula has given, and what you will take as an input? Celsius. Our body temperature has two types, Celsius and Fahrenheit. So you take as an input Celsius equal to, and this body temperature in the decimal value. So that's why I am using here float data type. Float input, then enter temperature in Celsius. Close the parenthesis. Now formula put it. Fahrenheit equal to what is given? C into Celsius into Celsius. I have taken as a variable cell into 9 by 5 plus 32. This is the formula. Now call to the print command. Print temperature here P E temperature in Fahrenheit equal to comma F. Run it. See, enter temperature in Celsius 92.56. Okay. If you want to write this Celsius into integer value also, so this float you just remove it and write integer, then afterwards also you can run it, but decimal value cannot accept it. 95. Okay. Now one more times we have to run. Integer I have taken, but I want to give decimal value. What happened? Value error. Why value error? Because integer we have taken and taking the input as a float, so that's why value error is generating.